Hello everyone, I'm Chef Timmy James and today is happy hour. I'm going to show you how to make a Negroni. I'm actually going to make two. A Negroni is an Italian drink that I actually never had in Italy. However, it's just a recent discovery of mine when I was looking at Stanley Tucci's Instagram page. He is actually a very famous actor, director, writer, and a former fashion model. And he has an interesting slant on his, is that he adds a double shot of gin instead of the usual one. So basically the ingredients are a good gin, Campari, which is a slightly bitter, orangey type of liquor from Italy, and Sweet Vermouth. Now with Stanley's, he puts 2 shots, and it actually does compensate for the little bitterness of the Campari, and that's why I actually like his version. He shakes his. I'm going to stir it because lately I've gotten into stirring martinis and drinks. So let's begin here by adding, I'm going to do 4 shots because I'm making 2 drinks. And remember, the recipe is at the below of my video. So I'm going to add 4. Okay. I'm going to add 2 shots of Campari. And Campari is a liquor that takes some getting used to for people who are not into bitter type of things. And then Sweet Vermouth, 2 shots of this. Again, I'm making 2 drinks. I am going to stir this up in a good amount of ice. Doesn't that sound refreshing? Alright. Now I'm going to strain it into two coupe glasses. That's my new favorite shape of a cocktail glass. You can put it into a martini glass, traditional martini glass. You can actually put it into a little tumbler with ice. This time I'm going to make it up, so it would be without any ice. So I'm going to strain this in. And what you do also is squeeze a little bit of orange into the glass. And then garnish with the orange as well. The most important thing to do is to take a sip. Cheers, everybody. Let me see how it is. It's delicious. And what I like about putting the 2 shots of gin in, is that it really counteracts the little bitterness of the Campari. And I really love it. And thank you to Stanley Tucci for this recipe. Please remember to check out the recipe below my video. Please subscribe to my channel and also comment to let me know what else you would like me to put on here. Like what other cocktails, what other foods you'd like me to cook. But please check out all of my videos. Share it on your social media sites, and just spread the word about me. But in the meantime, I'm going to be loving to cook, cooking with love, and making some cocktails during cocktail hour. And thank you for joining me today.